Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Jennifer TF8, in color code 01B. It's a shiny black color frame. On the top left lens, it has a Tom Ford logo engraved. On the temples, it has a silver color detailing and also a Tom Ford logo at the tip of the temples. As well for this side. On the back, it tells us that it is made in Italy. And the serial number is over here. The lenses are a smoke gradient color. Up here, we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a card of authenticity.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.